Hello, beautiful people, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to my channel. Well, I just want to bring it to your attention that XEmpire is done with its allocation, and all we have to do is to begin to await the airdrop on the 24th of October this year, 2024. So here's the thing. You have to connect your XEmpire account to any exchange wallet. So what you do is you simply click airdrop, and you're going to see the details, the allocation, and all you have to do is to connect to any of these exchanges that you are seeing here. There is on-chain airdrop, there is AB exchange, wallet, Telegram, no gas fee, Bitget exchange, Bybit. I would like to go by OKX exchange, but I am gonna go by Bybit. So here what you need to do is you simply go by yes, I have it. If you already have Bybit on your phone, if you have OKX, obviously there will be such an option as this one. So if you don't have it, you need to click no, let's create it. So I'm gonna go by yes, I have it, because I have Bybit on my phone. So here, okay, we need to punch in the memo, we need to punch in the Bybit UID, and then we also need to punch in the X deposit address. So let's take a ride and head on to Bybit. So Bybit, where are you? There is Bybit. Okay, so once you're logged into Bybit, click assets and then click deposit, then click deposit crypto. Now when you get here, just punch on top there what you are depositing. So what you need to do is you click $X. Okay, so when you click X there, swipe up till you find it. There it is. Can you see it? It's this one here, XEmpire. And then we go by, okay, tone, and here we are. Okay, so what you need to do is you copy the address on top, then you head back to XEmpire. So when you get back to XEmpire, since you copied the deposit address, click in the second box, tap and hold, then you paste the address. Okay, then after you're done with this, you head back to XEmpire so that you copy the memo, then you head back to XEmpire and paste it in the third box. Then what you remain with is the Bybit UID. Let me take you back to Bybit so that I show you where you can copy it from. Okay, so you have to ensure that you return to the home page, then click in the top left. Okay, so there it is. Just click it, then head back to XEmpire. Okay, so now you can paste the Bybit UID here. Okay, so once you're done, you can now submit your details. If you want, you can reset your withdrawal options by simply hitting at the bottom there. As simple as that, and you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And remember, sharing is caring, so share with as many people as you can, especially those who are mining XEmpire.